How do LOTO failures lead to fatalities? Imagine working on a machine, thinking everything is safe, only to have it suddenly start up and cause serious injury or worse. That's what can happen when lockout and tagout procedures fail. These procedures are meant to keep workers safe by controlling hazardous energy during maintenance. They involve locking machines with special devices and tagging them so no one can turn them on accidentally. But if these steps are skipped or not followed properly, disaster can strike. One common way failures happen is when machines are not properly locked out. If a worker forgets to place a lock or the lock is removed without following safety rules, the machine can activate unexpectedly. This can crush limbs or cause amputations if a worker is in the way. For example, in logging, heavy saws or loaders might suddenly move if not locked out, trapping or injuring workers. Another problem is when stored energy is not safely released. Machines like hydraulic systems or springs can hold energy that, if released suddenly, can cause burns, blunt injuries, or electrocution. Deep-sea fishing vessels use powerful hydraulic winches that, if not isolated correctly, could release energy and cause fatal accidents. Electrical hazards are also a major concern. If electrical power sources are not disconnected properly, workers risk getting shocked or electrocuted. This is especially dangerous in storm-chasing vehicles or logging machinery, where electrical systems are complex and powerful. Pressure and fluid lines are dangerous too. If these lines are not isolated correctly, they can burst or spray fluids under high pressure. This can cause severe injuries or even death, especially in industries like fishing and logging, where high-pressure equipment is common. Failures often happen because workers are not trained well or safety rules are ignored to save time. Sometimes, workers take shortcuts or communication breaks down, leading to dangerous situations. When lockout and tagout procedures are not enforced strictly, the risk of fatal accidents increases dramatically. Preventing these tragedies depends on strict adherence to safety protocols. Regular training ensures everyone knows how to lock out equipment properly. Management must prioritize safety over speed and encourage workers to speak up if they see unsafe practices. Using the right safety equipment, like lockout devices and warning tags, is essential. These devices are designed to fit specific machines and cost around $20 to $50 each, and they should be checked regularly to make sure they work correctly. In jobs like logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing, where hazards are extreme, following lockout and tagout procedures is vital. When these safety steps are ignored, the consequences can be deadly. Proper risk management and safety protocols save lives by preventing unexpected machine startups and energy releases. So, always remember, taking the time to lock out and tag out properly is the best way to protect yourself and your coworkers from fatal accidents.